In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Express. If you open your Adobe account through the website or the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, you may notice that there is no direct option to download Adobe Express. The only available option is Open, which will launch the app in your browser without installing it on your device. To download Adobe Express to your device, open the Windows search box and type Microsoft Store. When the Microsoft Store appears in the search results, click on it to open the store. In the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store, type Adobe Express and press Enter. Adobe Express will appear in the search results. Click on the Adobe Express app and then click on the Get button. The download process will begin, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the download is complete, a notification will appear confirming that Adobe Express has been installed on your device. Click on Launch to open the app. If you don't see the notification, open the Windows search box again, type Adobe Express, and select the app from the search results. Open the app, sign in with your Adobe account, and you'll be ready to start using Adobe Express. That's how you can download Adobe Express.